Utah business owners, if you're not using AI to run your marketing so you can finally spend your time being present with your family, then you're already behind the curve. And here's the hard truth most won't tell you. You are the biggest bottleneck in your business.
But it doesn't have to be that way, because you can now install an AI system that runs on autopilot to bring you ready-to-buy leads without you touching a thing.
It turns viewers into buyers and buyers into repeat customers while you spend your time on your health, family, and being present in your life. This is Corbin and Cheyenne, the founders of Ascend Scaling. They're known as the AI guys in Utah. They've worked with clients like NBA player Nesmith and Keaton the Muscle Hoskins. Their strategies have helped local brands like Lens on Us generate an 8x return on ad spend in 60 days. And they got Utah Proposal Planners 2.1 million organic views on their first reel ever posted on a brand new account. They build viral AI ads, high converting funnels, AI automations, even AI receptionists, so you can enjoy your life and scale faster. Their systems eliminate busy work, remove bottlenecks, and give entrepreneurs the freedom to actually enjoy the lifestyle they built a business for. On average, their clients unlock 4 extra hours of output every day once this system is installed. They are currently looking for 5 established entrepreneurs who want a fully built AI growth infrastructure. And as a bonus, anyone who books a strategy call and shows up ready to learn gets a free AI website chatbot built specifically for their business. There are only 5 spots open because they build and install every system by hand. So click the link now before these spots disappear like the leads you meant to follow up with.